Today I will show you how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome so you can open your favorite website quickly and easily. First, I open Google Chrome from my desktop. On the main home screen of Chrome, I saw the option that says Add Shortcut. I clicked on the Add Shortcut button. A pop-up appeared with two input fields. The first field was for the name and the second field was for the URL. In the name field, I typed YouTube, and in the URL field, I typed www.youtube.com. Then I clicked on the Done button, and my YouTube shortcut was added successfully. After that, I clicked again on the Add Shortcut button to add another shortcut. This time, in the name field, I typed Amazon, and in the URL field, I entered www.amazon.com. I clicked on Done and the Amazon shortcut was created. To test them, I clicked on the Amazon shortcut and the Amazon website opened instantly. Then I clicked on the YouTube shortcut and YouTube opened right away. You can add any website you want using this same method. It saves times and make browsing much faster and more easier. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss my next tech guide.